Welcome to our channel where we explore the latest trends and technologies. Today, we're going to talk about NFTs or non-fungible tokens. NFTs are taking the world by storm, and some people are making millions of dollars through them. In this video, we'll cover what NFTs are and how you can make money from them. What are NFTs? NFTs are digital assets that represent ownership of a unique item, such as artwork, music, videos, or even tweets. Unlike cryptocurrencies, each NFT is unique and cannot be exchanged for another NFT or asset. NFTs are typically stored on the blockchain, such as Ethereum, which allows for transparency and proof of ownership. How to make money with NFTs? Now that you know what NFTs are, let's talk about how you can make money with them. Create your own NFTs. The first way to make money with NFTs is to create your own. If you're an artist, musician, or content creator, you can create unique digital assets and sell them as NFTs. These could be anything from a piece of artwork, a song, or even a tweet. You can then sell these NFTs on various marketplaces, such as OpenSea, SuperRare, or Nifty Gateway. Invest in NFTs. Another way to make money with NFTs is to invest in them. Just like with any other investment, you can buy NFTs at a lower price and sell them when the value goes up. Some NFTs have sold for millions of dollars, so there's a lot of potential for profit. However, keep in mind that investing in NFTs is still a high-risk investment, and the market can be volatile. Trade NFTs. Finally, you can make money by trading NFTs. This involves buying NFTs at a lower price and selling them when the value goes up. You can also trade NFTs on various marketplaces, such as Rarible or Foundation. In conclusion, NFTs are a new and exciting way to own and invest in digital assets. They offer a unique opportunity for artists and content creators to monetize their work and for investors to make a profit. If you're interested in NFTs, start by researching the marketplaces and creating your own NFTs or investing in existing ones. With some luck and skill, you could be the next NFT millionaire. Thank you for watching our video on NFTs. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech trends and updates. See you in the next video.